Why is this place always so messy? Hi guys, I'm Jen. Welcome to the channel. I recently went to Costco and bought a huge bag of onions. I have figured out a few ways to preserve them as long as possible. I would like to share with you guys, so let's go. Look how many are there. As a family of 4, we can't possibly finish them all in time. So the first way is the easiest. Not really much preparation at all. This way we can already keep them for weeks, and I'm talking about 4 to 8 weeks. Just simply keep them in a cool, dark space. Either leave them in a mesh bag, in a basket, or even in paper bags will work. But not in plastic bags. They need some air ventilation to stay dry. In the next method, I cut all of them up into the shapes that we like, chopped for fried rice, or mainly to hide it from the kids really. Some of them I chop them into strips, bigger bite size for the stir fries, and onion ring sizes. Then we can preserve them in the following ways. My usual way of storing my onions is just to simply put them in a storage box and leave them in the refrigerator. But I try to use them all up within 3 weeks time and yet to have any problem of them going bad on me. The next way is that we can keep these onions for months, and it doesn't require blanching. We will talk about blanching in a minute. But luckily, onion doesn't require blanching before freezing. Store these cut onions in sandwich Ziploc bags. I like flatten them up when we freeze them. Once they're frozen, we can easily break them apart and just use as much as we like and put the rest back to the freezer. The last way is just one extra step before freezing them. Blanching is to boil them to cool them. But we can extend the storing time up to a year. It sounds insane, right? I know. But this is a very popular way with all the other vegetable preservation, water blanching. Boil some water, add salt to the water, then we just simply put the onion down to boil for just about 30 seconds is enough. We can also blanch onion in whole, but we do need to boil them for 3 to 5 minutes to make sure the whole onion is blanched. Anyway, after 30 seconds, we scoop them out, put them in a cold water or ice water right away, stir them several times during cooling. Drain and then put them in the Ziploc bags. Try to get the air out as much as possible, then freeze. I use these for stews and soups mostly. And that's how I preserve all my onions, and hopefully we'll never run out of them for at least a few months. Do you guys have any other ways to preserve your onions? Please comment down below and let me know. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye!